Hello children. Now let us start with exercise 1.6. Example number 1. Find the value of 64 raised to power 1 by 2. Now see here 64. 8 8s are 64. That means when you multiply 8 2 times, that is 8 square, that is equal to 64. So in place of 64 I will write 8 square whole raised to power 1 by 2. This 2 will cut. So what will remain? 8 raised to 1, that means 8. Question number 2. 32 raised to 1 by 5. Now see, how will we get 30? Which number will be multiplied 5 times to get 32? So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. So in the place of 32 I wrote 2 5 times. Okay, and power will be 1 by 5. 5 times 2 means 2 raised to 5. Okay, 5 5 will cut. 2 raised to 1. The answer will be 2. The third sum is same, you can do it yourself. Now example number 2. 9 raised to 3 by 2. Now we know 3 3s are 9. That means 3 square equal to 9. So in place of 9 I have written 3 square. Whole raised to power 3 by 2. 2 2 will cut. What will remain? So 3 cube. 3 cube means 3 3s are 9. 3s are 27. Second question. 32 raised to 2 by 5. 32 means 2 raised to 5. See here also in place of 32 I wrote 2 raised to 5. 2 raised to 5, that means 5 5 will cut. 2 square. 2 square means 4. Third and fourth question are similar, so you can do it on your own in homework. Okay. Simplify. 2 raised to 3, 2 raised to 2 by 3 into 2 raised to 1 by 5. Now see, here the formula we will use is a raised to m into a raised to n. When the base is same, power will be added and when two power form number are multiplied in which their base is same, okay, then the power will be added. See, base is a in both them, they are multiplied, the power will be added, that is m plus n. Same way here, see, base is 2, the power will be added, that means we need to add the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. So I have added the power 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Now 3 and 15, LCM is 3 and 5, the LCM is 15. Okay, so to get 15, 3 5s are 15, so 5 will be multiplied in numerator and denominator. Here also to get 15, 5 3s are 15, so 3 will be multiplied in numerator and denominator. 2 5s are 10 and 1 3s are 3 upon 15. The 2 raised to 10 plus 3, 13 upon 15. This will be the answer. Okay. Now let us move to next sum. That is second sum. Here see. 1 upon 3 raised to 7 whole raised to power 7. So here which formula we will use? A upon b raised to m. Okay. Power of quotient. A upon b raised to m. The power will be given to both. A raised to m, b raised to m. Same thing we will do here. Power will be given to both. 1 raised to 7, 2 raised to 3, whole raised to 7. 1 raised to 7. Power of power rule. A raised to m, whole raised to m. So a raised to m into n, mn. Here also if 2 powers are given, power of power, then they are multiplied. Here also 2 powers are given. The power of power means 3 multiply 7. 1 raised to 7. 1 we will multiply 7 times. So we will get 1. 1 ones are 1 ones are 1 ones are. 7 times we will get 1. 3 sevens are 21. The answer will be 1 upon 3 raised to 21. Next question. 11 raised to 1 by 2 upon 11 raised to 1 by 4. Division rule. Upon means divide. A raised to m divide by a raised to n. So you answer will in division rule the power are subtracted. To a raised to m minus n. Here m is 1 by 2, n is 1 by 4. So here base is same. The power will be subtracted. So 11 raised to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. Here the 4 is there. To bring here 4, 2 will be multiplied in numerator and denominator. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. So here 2 minus 1. So that is 11 raised to 1 by 4. And the last sum of the lesson. 7 raised to 1 by 2 into 8 raised to 1 by 2. See, the power is same in both them. If the power is same, then both are multiplied in the same bracket and power is taken common. Okay, so I have multiplied 7 and 8 in the same bracket and power 1 by 2 is taken common. 7 8 is 56 raised to 1 by 2. Here the chapter is over.